Hi guys, it's Lisa McClatchy here, your favorite personal stylist, or soon to be favorite. And today I wanted to do a video for you on how to flatter your figure and not have to even worry about what your shape or your size is. So, number one, I want you to think about what you love about your body, or if at the very least, what you really like. And the main idea is to bring the focus to the area that you like. So you can do that by wearing lighter or brighter colors there, or wearing more patterns, or ruffles, or details, or embellishments. Whatever's going to bring someone's eye to focus on that area. Another way to do it is to wear more form-fitting. Now, I don't mean tight, but form-fitting pieces of clothing on those areas that you like, so people will be more attracted to that, and by attracted I mean their eyes will go to that area. The next one is playing with your proportions. So we all know when something looks longer, or in this case taller, it tends to look leaner. So if you are trying to create the illusion of longer and leaner silhouette, wear higher waisted bottoms, so higher waisted skirts and higher waisted pants, because longer legs equal a longer silhouette. Also, another thing to keep in mind with this is also avoiding horizontal lines across the widest part of your body. So I know a lot of women that are self-conscious with their hips and thighs. They tend to pull their tops down, thinking that they're covering that area, or if they're wanting to cover their bum, when in fact that horizontal line that's going right across the widest part of your body is actually bringing the focus right there. So again, going back to the idea of bringing the leg line up so your legs look longer, bring the hemline of your shirt up to a narrower part of your torso. Number three, sticking with the longer and leaner idea, there is a reason why V-necks, like what I'm wearing today, are the most figure flattering for pretty much all body types. The width of a V-neck around your face helps bring the focus up to your face, whereas the V pointing down helps to elongate the body. Now, if you're not into V-necks and it's just not your style, you can always create the same effect with necklaces, heavier statement necklaces that point down and create that V, as well as pendant necklaces that hang down a little bit lower. This is also a great tool to utilize when you're wearing more billowy, fuller tops that are loose and not really showing your shape. By putting a heavier necklace over top that has that sort of mimics that V line, the weight of that necklace will push down on your blouse or your top and actually show where your body is under there and helps create some sort of shape at the bust line. And lastly, speaking of shape, the last tip is about emphasizing that area of the body a lot of women are very self-conscious of. The midsection or the waist. So showing off your waistline, no matter what size you are, will always be figure flattering because it creates balance in your body. Now, whether you decide to do it with a shaped dress or, like I mentioned, higher waist jeans or a pencil skirt, wearing those pieces will always help emphasize that smaller area in the middle of your body. Now, I know what you're saying. Some of you out there are saying, I don't have a small area around the middle of my body, so what am I supposed to do? I have some ideas for you. Number one, if you're more comfortable wearing billowy type tops, you can still get away with that. And then just put a small, thin to medium, not anything too heavy because then that swallows up, or not anything too thick because that swallows up a lot of your torso. But putting a small to medium size belt over top of your blouse, you don't have to cinch it super tight. Just put it where your natural waistline is. If you're not sure where that is, just put your hands where it feels comfortable on your side and bend, and you will feel that's where your smallest part is. So putting a little belt over that area. Now, if you're still super self-conscious of it and feel like you have extra going on the sides or in your silhouette, and it's still not feeling like it's a flattering look, you can still create the illusion of a smaller waist. So the idea is to put a belt over top of whatever you're wearing, whether it's a pair of jeans and the top is slightly tucked in, or it's a dress, putting a belt over top in that smallest area, and then layering over top of that a shaped blazer or a cardigan. So the idea is it will trick people's eyes into thinking that is the smaller area of your body when they can't even see the outside silhouette. So there you have it. I hope that gives you some ideas on how you can flatter your shape without having to worry about what size you are or what shape you are. These are just general rules that everybody can apply to their styling techniques when they're getting dressed to feel their most confident. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them. And if you want to see more videos like this and want to find out when they are being posted online, make sure to subscribe and you will get notifications to let you know. Thanks. Bye.